So how to install Buffalo Wild Wings app? So just tap get and yeah, just easily you can install it. If you like this food, this brand, I definitely recommend you to use the app because very often brands have only in-app rewards and deals which you can only find in-app, not even on a website or somewhere. So you can collect some points, you can join some rewards programs, order food for pickup or delivery, like that stuff you can do elsewhere. But yeah, here you can just check in and then just get some extra points, then just win some prizes by playing games and ultimately save some money. Of course, this app is will push you to drive more and more engagement. So yeah, but that's just what it is. You can just sign in and to score free wings, discounts, and saucy deals. So this is just where in the app you can just do that and join this rewards program.